In this video, I'm going to show you how to exit a trade on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the Monitor tab, and in here you can basically see your positions. Here I have a Forex position open, so I'm going to just select this one, and I'm going to right-click anywhere over here, and then when you right-click, you can go ahead, and it's going to say Create Closing Order. So make sure you have the right one selected, Create Closing Order, and then here you can basically sell right away. You can do with stop or with OCO bracket. So that's up to you. I'm going to click on sell over here. It's going to pop up this order entry, and of course here you can then set a stop, trailing stop, whatever you want to do here. And yeah, whenever you're done to exit a trade, just click on confirm and send, and then if everything looks cool, just click on send again. And as you can see here, it's going to say sold. And if I now go back to my monitor over here, there we go. It's going to say, okay, so I have zero quantity and I've successfully exited a trade on ThinkorSwim. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.